Welcome to the GardenShop.ie product demonstration video. In this video I want to show you another one of our tools in our range, and it is the Lawn Edger. So I'll just take off this plastic packaging that it comes in. It also has a cardboard end to protect the blade on it. So there's the tool. It's quite an attractive product. Looking at the overall product, then it has a rust resistant plastic coated shaft. It has a stainless steel blade, and it has a PVC T-shaped handle on the top here. So the overall length of the tool is 96 centimeters in length. And then looking down at the blade itself, it's a semicircular blade on it. Okay. The dimensions of the blade is 22 centimeters in width and 10 centimeters in depth. So as you can see, the blade has a rounded end on it, and it has a tread here for your foot to push it down into the ground without causing any damage or pain to your foot. Okay. So really this tool has one use, and that is for edging lawns and borders. It's a great way to edge lawns and borders, giving you a very straight edge. If I can just put the tool that way, you can see how straight the blade is on it, as opposed to a shovel or a spade which has a curved blade. This has a perfectly straight blade, meaning that you can cut right down into the grass, into the edge of your lawn, to give a nice clean finish to your border. So that's the purpose of it. It's to create nice, neat and tidy edges to your lawns and your borders, and to reduce on maintenance in terms of having to trim or use a scissors or other tool to cut the grass. So I suppose if you were to try and find any other uses for it, it could be used to do some light weeding, or to do some very shallow digging. If you were to maybe plant maybe small bulbs or small herbaceous plants, this actually could be quite an effective way to do that without having to bend down to your knees. So that's the product really. So advantages of it really: for edging, it's a lot better than a spade because it has this flat blade on it. It also has this nice T-shaped handle on it, which allows you to swivel the tool and allows you to dig and to edge in curves as well quite easily. So because it has this very sharp blade that you can see on it as well, it's more likely to actually cut the grass rather than push the grass down. So that way, if you're cutting the grass cuttings will fall off, and you can then just rake them up off the path or lawn or border as you go along edging. So that's the product really. Really, it's for low maintenance and nice and neat and tidy edges and borders. So that's one of the range of lawn products that we have. We also have on the website the Lawn Edge, which again is a product that reduces on maintenance and creates nice, neat and tidy edges to your lawns and borders. We also have a product here which is the electric grass trimmer, which if you weren't to use the edger that we have here, a product like this could be suitable for also edging your lawns. Okay, and as I said, we also obviously have a garden spade, which you can see here, which is another tool. Really, this is for digging and for weeding and stuff like that. It's not very suitable for edging. As you can see, in this case it has that slight curve to its blade, meaning that if you were to use something like this to edge, you're not getting that neat finish that you can achieve with a Lawn Edger. So that was the product I want to show you anyway. It's the Lawn Edger with a stainless steel blade. It's a product available on the GardenShop.ie.